Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to run JavaScript on Visual Studio Code. So, let's start. The first thing you're gonna do is you are going to open Visual Studio Code and you are going to get to this window here. After that, the first thing you're gonna do after that is open folder. We're going to make a new folder in the Explorer tab. So click on that. Now you can choose whenever and whatever folder you want to make your folder in. So you can go to documents, desktop, downloads, doesn't matter. This PC, it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to go to downloads, let's say. So we're going to right click there, go to new folder, and we are going to name the new folder, let's say, my project. So my project. So select folder, and after that, yes, I trust the authors, very important also. You're going to click on the my project tab and click on the new file. We're going to name it, I don't know, my project.jc, which is very important. The JC logo up here, it basically means we just created a JavaScript file, which is very important. So we're going to write a little code here. So console.log my first JS code. Okay. And after that, you are going to open terminal. Three dots here, terminal, new terminal. Very, very easy. So in this terminal here, the most important thing is that we get rid of anything that's here. So first of all, we're going to go to File and Save. And after that, we are going to go to that file. So downloads, my project, right click on that, go to properties. And as you can see, our location of the file is C users AA downloads my project. So we are going to use that. How do we use it? We open it in our terminal. So we type cd c users AA. Just a second, we have to go like cd c. So we just opened the local disk C. After that, we're gonna go to cd users. After that, we're gonna go to cd AA. Okay, so we have downloads. So cd downloads. Okay, and cd my project. Okay, we are in. So all we have to do now is open the myproject.js file. You open it by typing node myproject.js, enter, and there it is actually. So we got my first JS code. So basically we got the terminal right, we got the code right, and we tried to run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code, and we did it. Thanks guys. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.